Ideal presents the Model 2360 for the desk side, with automatic function and a convenient 240mm feed opening. Our innovative easy switch control element ensures simple and intuitive operation. The quiet, powerful 390-watt single-phase motor provides a shred capacity of up to 17 sheets in the straight-cut version and up to 15 in the cross-cut version. Our high-precision full-metal cutting shafts are made of special hardened steel and ensure long life cycles and top reliability with a 30-year warranty. The unique electronically controlled transparent safety flap in the feed opening is an excellent protective feature. It is part of the SPS safety package, which sets new standards in operational safety. The Easy on the Environment permanent plastic bag has a volume of 35 liters. Needless to say, this shredder is equipped with an environmentally sound energy-saving mode. Ideal. Quality made in Balingen.